Here we have our Porsche 924S, which is the same engine as the 944, and we have an oil leak that we're going to address. It's coming from the rear of the engine, and it's coming from the camshaft gasket, which is in the rear right there. And you can see the oil has dripped down the engine block, and we can see it all down below. There's just a very weak gasket in there. It's just made out of cork, and here is an example of a new one that we're going to put in there. This is a very common leak. There are 3 10mm bolts to remove. There are 2 on the top of the rear housing and then 1 underneath down below. You will want to first remove this cruise control connector. It's just stuck on the bracket at the end of the rear of the cam housing. There's a single 10mm bolt to remove just to get that out of the way. Once you've removed those 10mm bolts, you can take this bracket off and just set it aside. And the rear of the cam housing is just held on by the gasket right now. You just wiggle and pry and it'll just pop off. Now that we've removed the rear of the housing, you can clearly see that oil had been seeping through here, and clear evidence that this is indeed the source of our leak. After removing the housing from the rear, you can look and see all the remnants of the old gasket that are stuck back here. We're going to have to remove all of this and clean this area up now. Here are the remnants of the gasket that I pulled off. It was just crumbled to pieces as I took it off. Clearly, it was not making a good seal. Using a razor blade and some 1000 grit sandpaper, cleaned off the surface of the rear housing, making sure not to scratch any of the metal. We also clean off the rear of this part of the engine as well, so we have a good surface. It should be obvious from looking how this gasket is going to fit onto the rear housing. I just rubbed some engine grease around the edge so that this piece of cork will seal nicely to it and stay in place as I'm maneuvering the cap back onto the engine. I rub a little more grease along the other side of the seal, and we're going to fit this back in place, remembering to put that bracket back in place before we add the 3 bolts. The torque for these 3 10mm bolts is only 6 foot-pounds, so make sure you don't over-tighten them or you might break off the bolts. Use a small torque wrench if you have one. We have everything bolted up and back in place, including that cruise control receiver, and hopefully this new gasket will stop all the oil leaks that are coming out the back of our cam housing.